Facebook has introduced an app called Seller that professionalizes Facebook Marketplace for users who sell a lot of stuff. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Seller provides dedicated tools like AI-powered listing creation, a unified inbox, inventory management, and performance insights in one place. The app syncs up with Facebook Marketplace so your existing listings, messages, and selling history carry over, and any listing created in the app appears in Marketplace. Users can still sell on Marketplace directly from Facebook, but the new app makes it easier to manage multiple listings and grow your business. Seller has a home section that highlights actions needing attention like items to ship, messages to reply to, and listings to reprice alongside sales performance. It also has a listing creation page that will use Meta AI to fill in details like title, description, price, and category once photos are uploaded. A bulk listing feature allows users to create multiple listings at once. The app also offers a unified inbox with all buyer messages organized in one place and threaded by items so sellers can see every conversation related to a specific listing. Performance Insights shows users what's working best, with data like views, clicks, and sold listings. Facebook noted that Marketplace turns 10 this year and has evolved into a destination for over 1 billion monthly active users, where 430 million items are listed each month around the world. Seller is now available to users who are 18 and older in the United States on iOS and Android. Facebook is also testing a web experience for anyone who downloads the app. The company wrote, "This is just the start. We'll continue to evolve the app based on feedback from our seller community." Meta launched Seller alongside its new Verify program that allows users to confirm their identity via AI-powered facial recognition. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.